Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Angel. So guys, if you know you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed before, please subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe and join the family. Yeah, today I'm kind of dull, I'm sad, and I really want to treat this topic. I really want to say this because a lot of people, they need to learn, especially men. And this story also will make some women to be very careful and to monitor their child often. Like this story that I heard about this little girl. Not I heard, I really watched the video. But I think I will put the video there because I have to cover the girl is dead now. May her soul rest in perfect peace. I have to cover the art, what they did. They have to cover it because it's not good for public to see it. Not it's not good for public to see it. You know, I don't want. Let me just go straight to the point. Okay, according to the story now, this little girl is 3 years old. No, tell me wetin 3 years old now. Tell me wetin she don know, 3 years old. Tell me wetin she don know wey make this grown up ego that call himself a man, grown up ego to carry that his dirty stinking walking stick and put in this girl's mouth, as if that one is not enough. He still he still have his way with this girl. He still force that mumu walking stick inside the little girl's something. Okay, just tell me, before you injure that little girl to that extent, your sense did not come to you that this girl is too small for that. 3 years old, no, what is that girl going to, what are you going to enjoy while you are having your way with 3 years old child? What are you going to gain? What is your enjoyment there? Look at the way you just destroyed that little girl's life. Now the girl is dead. You are happy now. No, you are happy that this little girl just lost her life in this way. She couldn't make it. She could not make it. You can see the little child intestine through her vagina. Una go see the small pikin intestine when e dey come out. E just injure this small pikin. E just injure this small pikin finish. E just injure this small pikin. Men, wetin be una problem? Wetin be una problem? Una just dey molest small children. Una wife no go reach una. If you go outside go toast girl, na small pikin wey never know anything, wey still go school, na you una still just carry so. Na you still carry, you use your walking stick take injure this small pikin. As that thing dirty, as e ugly reach, you still put am for the small pikin mouth. E no go better for you o. E no go better if na maybe the mama, before police go come carry you or before they go give you justice, I go make sure say as of you cut that your walking stick. I fit cut am. I fit cut am, go use am take go sell am give all these Yahoo people for free, so that you go live with that everlasting pain before you go serve your jail. Because I no go kill you, I go want make you serve your jail. But I go make sure say as you still let me lose that pikin with that kind injury, you let that small pikin die, na so me go say cut your walking stick throway, so that you go live with that everlasting pain. You no get mouth to take toast girls, you no get mouth to take talk to girl. Okay, tell me now, pain wey you don cause this small pikin family now, how you wan make the mother take feel the pain wey dey suffer carry this small pikin for good 9 months? If you dey find why you wan molest, go born your own, make you start dey molest am. Mo know say na your pikin na you do, I know say na still innocent pikin, we go still feel for am, but no be another person own. My dear, they don do that. They no dey do things like that. You are a wicked soul. You are very very wicked. In fact, your wickedness dey smell. You too wicked. You too wicked. Na me dey tell you, you too wicked. And e no go better for you. Kaka kaka kaka. You don't already, in fact, you don't already swear for yourself. You don't already use your hand take swear for yourself. You don't already destroy yourself. Now listen to all men. Mona no dey do all this rubbish again. Mona no dey go dey molest small children wey just dey new dey come life. Small children wey never know anything, no go spoil them when they small. When they don dey grow, na they go come dey follow different man. Now come dey shout say, this pikin too spoil. No, dey spoil them when they small. Many people dey there wey don do this thing wey be say e no exposed today. Many people dey wey be say they go use finger take first start, take dey go along the thing, dey go along and dey go along and the pikin go grow, e go come dey misbehave. People go come dey say, why this pikin be like the mama no train am? But they no know say na come spoil pikin put for the mama hands. This one na school e go. Na still school, na for the teacher for still molest am like this. The woman na go report to school. Principal wan even talk. They talk say na temptation. Mr. Principal, temptation ni. You for bring your pikin come make dem go to make dem come tell you say na temptation. You are say principal, be I say the principal sef even dey do am. The principal e get hand for this matter. The way I dey look am. How you come and come dey talk say na temptation? How can temptation lead you to 3 years old? How did you get attracted to that child? How did it start? Meaning the whole school, all of you sef, they need to close that school. They need to, in fact, they need to fire all the teachers. Even that headmaster that said it was a temptation. What temptation can lead you to do such a deadly act? What kind of temptation is that? Please tell me. Let me go and ask the temptation question. Temptation will just frustrate you. Will just carry you and go and land you in 3 years old child body. Are you normal? Are you okay? Headmaster, are you okay? Even you, the headmaster, all of you are doing the thing. You people are working hand to hand in that school. Temptation. If I'm the mother of that child, you tell me that it's temptation. Before that temptation will finish in your mouth, I will use slap to cover it. Before you finish pronouncing that temptation, I will make sure I use slap to end that temptation in your mouth. Are you serious? Temptation. The school you were, they are just paying people for free. You don't care about the health of those kids. Assuming you care, you will not open your stinking mouth and say it's temptation. I don't know what is going on. This world, I don't know. How can temptation carry you, frustrate you? You will live. If it's teacher you went to toast, it's okay. If nobody is accepting you because of your deadlish character, you go and pay now. There's someone that is doing it as you pay, then you carry, then they will satisfy you. No. How as big as you are, where is the child? Let me say this way, how the child, where it go reach you? Now here the baby go reach you. You will. How did you do it? How did you do it, Mr. Man? How did you do it? How did you do it? Some people are just they are demons. They are just walking around, but they are demons. We need to be very careful. Parents, be cool. If you are living face me and face you house, be careful. If you are living, if you are taking your child to all this kind of public school, be careful. This one, Nana, some people, their father is doing it to them. Some is stepfather, now is teacher. The other one I heard again on Instagram and social media, face me and face you compound, he molest the child. What is going? No, as in, school is not safe now. Your house is not safe. Your this is not safe. Your that is not safe. More they hide our children for inside our wrapper. More they tie them for not to get safe. More they put the children for inside Ghana must go. They carry them, they waka because we want to protect children. Because on our walking stick, not let on our put for under on our trouser. We need to do iron pint for these men. Let's start providing iron pint for them to be locking that place with big padlock, and we throw that key inside the ocean. Who can find the key will be able to do that thing again. I'm not happy at all with our men. Advise yourself, men, advise yourselves. Children no good. This pikin don spoil. This girl na this. No, na they spoil them. I know come up for small children body. I want to end this video before I will start saying words I'm not supposed to use. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video. Share it for mostly men. Because I'm checking the traffic of people that are watching me. Most are women. This particular video, I want men to go and watch it. Men watch, husband, wife, boys, young boy. You people should watch. and stop molesting children, stop molesting girls. We are tired of hearing your story every time. See you in my next video.